Namaste, Jai Hind. My name is Sampurna Shukla. I am coming from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Now, basically, I am a radio jockey, but nowadays I quit my whole career job and now I am traveling across India by cycle with the mission of join humanity, save nature. Actually, one day it came to my mind that our life totally based on environment. But why we don't take any responsibility for that? So therefore, I am dedicating 1% of my life for save nature. And now I have completed 16 states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and now I am in Mizoram. And my mission is basically join humanity, save nature, because without nature we can't survive even for a second. Nowadays water level is getting down and down and down. So therefore we all are gathered here to save nature, save humanity, because without humanity we can't do anything for nature. If we have humanity, we all are Indians. Because so therefore I am dedicating 1% of my life, and now I am going Mizoram towards Tripura, then Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi, Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, via Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and then now I am going in my home. So thank you very much, Mizoram Press Club, for giving me this precious time. Now I was started my mission on 31st July 2023 till now. I have traveling, and now I have completed 11,746 kilometers on paddling.
So, have you been sponsored by any company or NGO or something like that?
No anyone has sponsored my journey, and I am traveling without money, only based on local peoples giving me some rupees and some foods like that, and I am totally based on therefore local peoples, villagers, and who believe in humanity. So therefore I am traveling without money. And now yes, I am definitely sure India is only one country. They have lots of humanity, lots of human, they believe in humanity.
So, have you faced any difficulty or hurdle or
Yes, when I was in Maharashtra, so my cycle was theft. But now villagers are too cool and too kind-hearted. They, I think, at night 2 o'clock, they are searching with a torch in a forest. Then after 2 or 3 hours, my cycle is returned back, and they captured theft.
how many days did you spend?
Where?
Each day.
Today is a 273 day of my journey.
Okay, okay. So, how long will you be staying here in Mizoram?
Hope so. Tomorrow I will leave
Tomorrow you will be leaving for
Tripura.
Tripura.
Right.
Okay, all right. Can you repeat your name, please?
Yes, my name is Sampurna Shukla.
Okay. And your age?
23.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
मिजोरम में कैसे रहना?
And Mizoram is really only first state where I can see ki every student in the morning they read books. Because they believe in education, and education is only one thing who give our rights. So Mizoram peoples are very kind-hearted, soft-hearted. When I asked for any address, so especially traffic police are looking so handsome, and also they all are gentlemen. I was passed this road, but again one traffic man came there and he said, don't go there. You go like that and that. They also inform me like wildlife criteria. So it's outstanding for me. Thank you very much, Mizoram Traffic Police, for giving me this recommendation. And now today is a 273. There I have completed 16 states, also traveled around, but only Mizoram Press Club is like that ki they captured my journey. And also thank you very much for giving me like spreading my mission in all over world. Thank you so much, Mizoram Press Club. Thank you.
Em hóa thành một thằng đó. Be careful, okay?
Actually, I have no any habits, na.
Có ngày ăn lẩu khác. Bag. Only one bag, okay?
Sure, sure.
Let's start from here.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
You're from UP?
Yes, I am from Lucknow.
Huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Basically, I am a radio jockey.
Hmm.
But nowadays, this is home's garbage.
Yeah, home garbage.
Oh,
This is a bad habit in everywhere. We throw all our waste from our window.
oh, correct.
Yeah.
Especially near about hotels.
Yeah. Let's move a bit. It's very slippery. Be careful. I'll carry this.
Sir, egg, egg. This is also harmful for water.
Hmm. Yeah.
One second.
สุกครั้งกันทุยแล้วสุกช่วงกันเหรออืม What about the smell? Smells good?
Actually, I controlled my breathing power.
That's good. See all the way from our window.
Yes, yes. There is windows. Oh,
Yeah, from this side also.
how long shit. This is totally wasted, Like that.
Yeah. But we need to clean all for the awareness. We need to
Oh,
clean
no.
everything.
Like 1 feet. Oh, really, it's very good campaign. Look.
Okay.
Just look.
Anal. Drag zong at sumunod.
Sampoon. Yes.
Nice name.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
나한테 해줘야지. 너무 아플 때 이건 보고 다음 이거는.
Oh, it's a good.
Good idea.
Yes. Because in the air, lots of Betty.
Yeah. You're afraid of that one?
Kan tôi nó lẻ nó bọc sập bố xịt mày.
Không có rồi. Tok, mấy lỗ bò lại bò lại lỗ cùi hi.
This is real waterfall.
Yeah. Ui. Thì hai cụp lỗ rồi. Wow.
Sir, how long this river is going? Around 20 to 25 kilometers plus?
About 30 plus.
30 plus kilometer.
And it. Oh,
Oh shit.
nói thầu rũ ra ha là có son lốc đâu. Be careful, okay? Go, take this. There you cover.
Go.
Yeah,
Okay.
carry this. I'll help you.
Yes, no problem.
Let's go back. I don't know where I'll follow you.
But sir, municipal Aizawl Municipal Corporation don't do anything for that.
They have done something.
But I don't think they do something. If they do something, so I think nowadays like not doing, not seeing like that now.
कैसा लगा?
Really, it's a very critical situation, and now I think in every city have municipal corporation. If municipal corporation working properly, so I think nowadays save the nature, save the, where is the one word? Riparian.
Yeah.
So I think they do like that. So first of all, every citizen of Aizawl, especially what is the name of this colony?
Khatla.
Khalla.
Yeah, Khatla.
So I request all the people who live in this colony, please, you nowadays you try to change your habit. In every home have a dustbin. So please I request the all who live there, please safely always use dustbin for garbage. Don't throw outside of the window, because nowadays I am going in this narrow river area. So I seeing many of Sunsilk shampoo, Surfa, Nirma, detergent powders and much more garbages. They easily way window, because this is now public property, so they don't take any responsibility. But you know very well ki this all things are the reason of day by day growing disease, right? So therefore I am requesting you all ki please don't throw anywhere garbage. Please save nature, save water, save life. And also really I am very appreciating save the nature, save the riparian. Really you are doing very well, great job. And I never seen and I never think like that ki in the city of Mizoram, capital of Mizoram, Aizawl, also Mizoram is known in all over world for literacy rate, education rate. So where is the education level is too high, but pollution level is also high. So please I request you all ki you are valuable and you all are very popular in all over world. So please do something for your respect, do something for your state, do something for your city, and also do something for save the riparian phase 2. Thank you very much you all. Really I am very happy to see with you, and really all the very best all volunteers who do his best for nature, for water, for Mizoram, for Aizawl, because we all are Indians, we love India, we love Mizoram. Jai Hind.